Hey guys, so I just got back from Penn Street, so now I'm gonna give you guys a haul because I didn't vlog. Sorry, way too busy. But I'm gonna give you guys a haul. So here's a couple of the shirts I got. Okay, so the first shirt I got was this kind of like tighted, I don't know how to call it, shirt with black and white stripes and it has like a white collar on it, so it looks like this. Okay, so the next shirt I got is just like that, but in red. So yeah, I really didn't get that much. I just got a couple of shirts, but I really like the shirt. And then the next shirt I got is where is it? Here it is. Is this kind of like red, kind of in a way, kind of like see-through back, and it looks like this, and then it kind of goes down first. So it's like this. The next shirt I got is this really, really adorable bulldog shirt, but it's like this. I think it's really cute. The next shirt I got was this flawless shirt. And then the final shirt I got, which is my favorite shirt, my favorite shirt in like tank tops category, was this neon tank top because I really like bright colors. So those are the shirts I got. I might vlog later, but I hope you guys like my shirts haul. I'm gonna try these shirts on. Bye.